In terms of, I think you mentioned insurance a couple of times. How does insurance work in the whiskey world?
Insurance is there to protect against physical hazards, right? If there's a fire at the warehouse, if a forklift knocks over your barrel and it leaks all the whiskey everywhere, if anything physically happens to the barrel, you're covered to some degree. Some barrels are going to be covered for the current year value as they appreciate over time. Some barrels are going to be covered for the initial value, which is what you paid for it. So if something happens, you get your money back, of course. But all of these are physical assets. And so you should take care of them and protect them from these physical hazards, which is one of the main risks in anything tangible, which is why we've put insurance in place to manage that risk and take care of investors if anything were to happen.
So in a situation where, let's say, I buy a barrel, figuratively speaking, $5,000 barrel. I get insurance for $5,000. In 10 years, that's way more expensive than a $5,000 barrel. Do you redo the insurance at that point, or do you redo insurance every year? How does that work in a situation like that?
Yeah, in the situations in the barrels where they're covered for the annual value every single year. Part of the reason we do an appraisal every year is so that the insurance people know exactly what they owe the investor if something were to happen. So they're appraised annually, and that goes to the insurance coverage and premiums as well.
So between the, I guess, your full service shop and then the insurance, what are the annual like holding costs for investing in a barrel of whiskey? And obviously, you wouldn't do a barrel because there are certain minimums you have to hit, right?